Hi guys, MOT here. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can resolve charging related issues on your Android device. So to get started, you'll need to have either Ampere or AccuBattery installed on your device. And if you guys don't have that, you can get it from Play Store. So one of them is called Ampere by Braintrap. The other one is called AccuBattery by Digibytes. So the next thing that you guys need to do is start the app, open the app, and it will start measuring how much current your device is using. Now in case of my phone, right now it's using minus 180. However, if I'm watching video or listening to music, the amount of current that my device is using is going to be a lot more. I usually refer to the amount of current my device is using, but there are some other things that you can refer to as well from time to time. Things such as the status or the health of the battery, the temperature, and the voltage as well. Now, the difference between Ampere and AccuBattery is that AccuBattery is a little bit more detailed. And it provides some other interesting statistics as well. How much percentage is it screen off, screen on, total estimated capacity, health of your battery as well. It tries to keep a track, like if you're wearing down your battery faster or slower. And yeah, I usually just recommend you guys to have Ampere because the statistics with the AccuBattery are just too much for me. And if you want to just be simple, just refer to Ampere. Now, moving on, going back to Ampere, one thing that you guys should notice is that the reading when you're just running one of these apps should be on the lower end. I think for most devices it could be between minus 200 to minus 350, but if it's any higher than that, let's say it's 600 or 900 and you're just having a screen on with just one of these applications, then something is draining the battery and you'll need to look into it, what's causing it. Now you might think that one of the applications is closed, but maybe there's something running in the background that's causing the issue. Now, to resolve charging related issues, now in my case, like I have two chargers, and what you guys will need to do is open the app and connect whichever charger you have. So in this case, I am connected to one of the chargers. And it's measuring how fast the phone is charging now. And as you guys can see, the reading is between 1500 to 1670 right now, and it's going up. And as you guys can see, it's somewhere between 1400 and 1700 mAh. So one thing that depending on which device you have and what kind of charger you're using, it can be lower and it can be higher. If it's around 500 for one of the newest phones, if you get Ampere and it says less than 500 mAh, then I would think that something is wrong with your charger, because most of the newer phones support for faster charging. And you're usually supposed to get really slow charging rates when, let's say, you're connected to a computer. Now I'm gonna connect it to the other charger that I have. Now, one thing that you guys need to note is that you have to have um, a lower level of charging on your phone, because a lot of these fast chargers, if your battery is almost full, they're gonna charge the device really slow to prevent overheating of the device. If you guys saw, this one is a much more faster charger, but the minimum on when I connected to this one was 760, and now it's a lot more than the other charger that the phone was connected to. So this one is hovering somewhere between um, 2300 mAh, and this is going to charge about 50% faster than the other charger. So that's something to keep in mind, that if you have multiple chargers, know which one is charging your phone a lot more faster. And yeah, do give a little bit more time, because sometimes these chargers um, don't instantly show how much fast they're charging. Now, I'm gonna remove this charger. So, with that being said, you will be able to know which charger you guys need to use. Other thing to keep in mind is um, for certain devices out there, I know of Samsung, you need to go in settings and enable fast charging, because if you have fast charging disabled, your phone is gonna charge really really slow, even though you might be just connected to a fast charger. And yeah, guys, that's it. I hope that resolves some of your charging issues. And if there's something else that you guys want me to talk about, um, please just write a comment. And yeah, I'll be happy to help you guys. Thank you. Bye.